Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make some money online. So kindly support this channel with your subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much time, the platform that you are going to use for today's tutorial is called thecassamine.net. So this platform is a USDT mining platform where you mine some USDT every day, even when you have no internet connection. So check in the video description for the registration link and create an account on this platform, and I'm going to show you some withdrawal proofs. Some withdrawal proofs that some withdrawals that I've withdrawn from this platform. So let me show you the withdrawal proof. I have poor internet connection. That's why it seems that my browser is running slow. So I'm going to show you my withdrawal record. So I click on the withdrawal record, and you can see from here that I've made 2 successful withdrawal, and I made 4 USDT withdrawal. Right now you can see the time and the date here. I made 4 USDT withdrawal in the afternoon, and I made 6 USDT withdrawal on this 6th June. So this platform is paying, and you can join this platform using the registration link in the description below, and you can see that I'm having 8.08 USDT. So I'm going to show you how you can mine. So click on the link in the description to register. After you have registered, you click on this button to activate your miner. You click on this button to activate your miner. So as a new user on this platform, you get a base miner that it will be mining 1.05 USDT for you every 24 hours. So you'll be mining 1.05 USDT miner when you create an account on this platform as a new user. And you can see my miner here. I'm using the city scale wind energy miner. That gives me 0.48 USDT every 24 hours, and I will claim this 4.48 USDT after 1 hour. You can see from here that it's left with 1 hour. Then I will be claiming this 4.48 USDT. So this is how this platform works. It's USDT mining, and you can mine some USDT for free. So to increase your mining, as I'm mining 4.48 USDT daily. To increase your mining, you can buy a miner to increase your miner, to boost your mining speed, your daily earnings per hour. So you can buy the city scale wind energy at 219 USDT, and this miner is valid for 90 days, and you can mine 4.48 USDT per day. So you buy this miner at 219 USDT, and you'll be mining 4.48 USDT daily. And another miner another miner is called the city and the second miner is called the city hydro energy. You buy it for 459 USDT, and you'll be mining 10.32 USDT daily. And this miner is valid for 90 days. So if you are ready to buy a miner, I will leave a Telegram link in the description. Chat the admin to get a free 20% discount. To get a free 20% discount, you can see from here that you can get a free 20% discount. So you chat the Telegram link that I have left in the video description for a 20% free discount. So after you have bought this miner, you are going to earn some free USDT online, and the minimum withdrawal on this platform is just 4 USDT. You can withdraw, the minimum is 4 USDT, and the network fees is 2 USDT. So join this platform, activate your miner, or buy a miner and start earning from this platform. Don't forget to promote this channel with your subscribe. So click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So when I withdrew that 4 USDT this afternoon, you can see from here that I got an email from Binance that your deposit of 4 USDT is available in your Binance account. So this platform is paying. Join, create an account, buy a miner and start earning for free.